we'll guide you through how to create a Gumroad account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website by typing gumroad.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Start Selling button in the upper right corner and click on it. This will take you to the sign up page where you can begin the process of creating your account. You'll see options to sign up using your email, Google, or Twitter account. If you prefer using an email, enter your email address and click Continue. Then, you'll need to create a password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Once you've entered your password, click Create Account. If you chose to sign up with Google or Twitter, click the respective button and follow the prompts to authorize Gumroad to access your account. After creating your account or authorizing via another platform, you'll be directed to a welcome page. Here, complete your profile by adding a display name and a short bio to let potential customers know a bit about you. It's always good to personalize your account with a profile picture, so go ahead and upload one by clicking on the avatar icon. Once your profile is set up, you're ready to explore the dashboard where you can start adding products, setting up payment options, and customizing your storefront. Take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available to maximize your Gumroad experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.